You ever watch so many woodworking videos that you start actually feeling productive, but nothing in your garage actually changes? There was a time where I watched woodworking content almost every night. Tool reviews, joinery techniques, top 5 woodworking mistakes, outdoor finishes, shop upgrades, all of it. But I didn't build a single thing. I told myself I was learning. I told myself I was preparing. But if I'm honest, I was stuck. I think sometimes watching feels safer than building, because the second you build something, you might find out that you're not as good as you think you are. And that is uncomfortable. Today, I'm building a simple patio table to go with the chairs I made before I had back surgery. It's nothing fancy. There's not crazy joinery. It's not an exotic wood. It's just something that works. And honestly, that feels right to me, because this video isn't about craftsmanship. It's about getting started. Back when I was stuck, I thought I needed the perfect design, the right tools, the dialed-in plan, and more knowledge. I'd open YouTube to learn one thing, and next thing I know, 45 minutes later, I'd have 12 tabs open in my brain. Do I need mortise and tenons or pocket screws? What's the best finish? Do I have the right tools? I confused options with progress. But options don't build tables, cuts do. Here's the part I didn't want to admit at the time. I wasn't afraid of wasting wood. I was afraid of failure. If I never started, I could keep believing that I had potential. Watching protected the fantasy, but building tests it. And I think a lot of us live longer there than we want to admit. Then back surgery happened, and for a while, I couldn't build. My shop was quiet, and it was strange. When something is taken away from you, you realize how much it grounded you. There's something about making sawdust, about standing at a bench and shaping something real. It reminds you that you're capable. So coming back, I knew one thing. I didn't need an impressive project. I just needed to start moving again. If you've been watching woodworking videos for a month, maybe even years, and you haven't built anything yet, I'm not judging you. I was you. You're not lazy. You're probably just overwhelmed. We live in a time where you can learn everything without ever doing anything. Because knowledge feels productive, but confidence doesn't come from knowledge. It comes from experience. You build confidence by building things, especially bad builds. So here's what I'm getting at. Lower the bar. Don't try to build the dream dining table. Build a box, build a planner, build a stool. Build something slightly crooked that your wife politely says she likes. It doesn't matter. What matters is that it exists. Your first project isn't about what you make. It's about becoming someone who creates. This table isn't perfect. There are things that I would change already, but it exists. And that matters more than perfect joinery ever could. Because every time you finish, even something small, you chip away at the voice in your head that says, maybe you're not cut out for this. If you've been watching for a while, but haven't built anything yet, that's okay. But you don't need another video. You don't need more plans. You don't even need to feel ready. You just need to start. Something small, something simple, something real. It probably won't be impressive, but it will change how you see yourself. The moment you make that first cut, you're not watching anymore, you're building. Now, go build something. I think you'll be glad you did.